Good day, everyone. It's Nicola Cleo here, and Moy, is my mic working? Is it?
Excuse me, ma'am. Pamili
Yes.
na ng bottled water ninyo, ma'am.
Ay. Why? Why are water bottles not allowed? Where's Dad? Yeah, like, do they expect us to be in this hot sun without hydration? Like, maybe there's a reason. I mean, there's always a reason, right? You know, rules are rules. I'm trying to find my father in the parking lot because I have to give back these water bottles that we were bringing. Just so inconvenient, by the way. I can't find our car. Oh, my hair looks good today. What on earth? I cannot find my father. Yeah. Can't find him. Can't find. I'm just gonna go back because I can't find my father. It's a safari. It's so hot. The sun is high up in the sky, and you think we can go on freaking nature hikes? Maybe maybe it's the same thing with like airplanes where they want us to buy their water, so they want us to leave. Wow, that's business is business, baby. Don't hate the player, hate the game. I just figured it out like just now. Like wow, I'm so intellectual. I just figured it out just now. It's crazy. Still can't find my father. Mom, I can't find Dad. I'm tired of holding these. I'm convinced that he's not even parked in this parking lot because I've looked pretty much everywhere. Moy, what am I gonna do about these? I'm just gonna like chug all of them in this setting. I mean, I could, but like it would cause deflation of my blood cells or something. Like the cells would explode. You know, osmosis and all that.
How much already?
Huh? 4 minutes.
You already did your intro and stuff?
Yeah, I barely did an intro. I was just yapping about how hard it was to find Dad in the parking lot and how they don't let us bring water bottle inside. Drinks, any drinks in general.
Hi guys, it's her Yaposaurus sister. I mean Yaposaurus sister.
What? Oi, I can't go inside because I'm holding drinks.
Find that.
I already tried to. I can find him. I've accepted my fate. I really have to pee. Mom, can you call Dad? I really have to. Mom, I really have to pee, Mom. But they won't let me in. Mom. Yes?
You can put your water into your mommy.
Okay.
You can put it there.
Thank you. Okay, I got in, guys. I literally just left the like water bottles. Oh, by the way, where I even am because I was just so frustrated about that. We are in Cebu Safari, the Safari Adventure Park. This is a souvenir store. My favorite part. Just kidding. I've never actually been there. Just, you know, we like to save money. And there, oh, okay, so we have, see guys, I told you. Prohibiting drinks or food. They're prohibiting having your own because they want their business to, you know, I respect the game, I'm looking for a restroom because as I said, I have to pee. Mom, where's the restroom? Dad! Oh my gosh, Dad, there you are. Dad, these are ours. The 3 of these are ours. Dad, they won't let drinks in, so like you have to go back actually to keep these. And also, excuse me, guard, where's the restroom?
This room, you can go right where there is
Oh yeah, I just saw the sign, sorry. Thank you. It's kind of dark like from here. Oh, look, place where they put all the drinks. Hi, Dad. I want to be in my vlog. Just kidding. Dad, I will go to the restroom first. Mom and sister over there. Mom and sister over there. I will go to the restroom. Oh, Dad, you're part of my vlog now.
What?
You're part of my vlog now. Yay! Okay. Gotta go. Bye. Moi, 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 moi. Come here.
Hi.
Pick, pick.
Inside. Okay.
Okay, let's see. Wow. Okay. Yay. And we did it, guys. First step. Look at this shop. The souvenir shop. I love souvenir stores for no reason.
First stop.
Hi guys, the tram has arrived. So we're going to sit on it. Well, obviously. Oh my gosh. Miss Obvious.
Help me.
Why are you there? You should be with me.
No.
Look, we're
Let
on
me be
the
on the
tram.
camera. I peek behind you so I can film you.
Where's your water jug?
It's beside you.
Opo din mo gidala.
It's in the bags, Mommy.
My sister just cried in front of a bunch of strangers because she left her water jug on the waiting shed, the bench of the waiting shed that we were waiting on. Look at that fountain, guys. Look at that fountain. Whoa, that's so cool. I love how intricate it is. Look at that. Now we're entering the aviary. Oh, look, that's the Birds of Paradise plant. Eclectus parrot habitat, rainforest lands, woodlands diet, omnivore. Oh, lifespan 30 to 40 years. Australia. 2 distinctive calls. The more you know, guys, the more you know. Different kinds of parrots. Oh, you see that? You see that? That like red thing in the trees. Some nests.
Papa isod gani pa.
Oh my gosh. Victoria crowned pigeon. Whoa. Oh, look at those. It's alive. Oh, it's against the light. Oh, wait, sorry. Oh my gosh, you can beat the birds. You can beat the birds.
Hold it tight na tiya. Ayaw i-drop, Anana. Relax na.
Oh my gosh, there's a bird on your head!
Hold it pa tiya. Tarongay mo. Smile again. Okay.
Let me try.
You're stupid. Eating monster. 50 pesos lang.
Okay. Hold. Oh, ah! There's a bird on my head! Yes! Let's go! There's a bird on my head!
Get this big box.
Oh my gosh!
They're spitting.
Hi, birdie!
They're spitting the food.
Look, there's a bird on my head! Wait, was that bird poop? Hey, it's pooping! Oh my gosh! It's a green imperial pigeon. Oh my gosh! It's on my head! two on my head. Okay, this one.
Okay, next na.
Ew! He's a big bug! I'm gonna make him speak.
Stop. We have boundaries, okay? We love birds. We just don't like them to poop on us. Boundaries.
I'm making it spit on you. I'm making it spit on you. It's actually spit on your butt.
Okay, I'm gonna take a picture
Spit
of
on
you.
your butt.
It's really loud in here, guys. Can you hear that? It's so loud. It's so loud. Good.
But it's so cute, Mom.
Okay. Y'all hear that? Y'all hear that? Hello everyone. Currently we are in the restaurant. We just finished going through the aviary. This view.
Hi, a bird spit on my hat. They didn't like the food.
Really? Absolutely love these views. Gorgeous, gorgeous views. And yes. Okay. I thought we were going to eat, but I guess we're going back into the trap.
Source.
Hello, where's the chimpanzee there?
What?
The monkey. Daddy, do have giraffe there. Remember, I think the giraffe is there.
Yeah. The giraffes are on a holiday. We just got off the tram. Yo, we're here with the lions now. My father asked me to interview my sister. I'm not sure why, but let's do it, okay? So, what have you learned so far?
Waiting for the lion shop to open.
We're here waiting for the lion stall to open because like there are lions behind this gate, right? But as you can see, it's still locked, it's still chained up, and so there's a waiting area here. Now, Moy, tell us about your experience so far.
So my experience so far is parrots landing on my head and spitting on my hat. Yes,
And how did that make you feel?
disgusted. So I decided to take off my hat and fling their spit back at them.
No, you flinged it at me.
There were two. One flinged at you, one flinged at the bird.
Okay, that's her insight. I'm gonna turn on my fan though because it's so hot. Hopefully it doesn't interfere with the sound. But it's like really hot.
Down again. This one annoying. No offense to the people who walk here.
They're just following the schedule. It's not their fault. Maybe the lions who are making the schedule. They're like, I'm only available from 3 to 4 p.m. Okay, the rest of the day is my slumber day.
And my slumber and feast. Okay?
Yeah.
I'm gonna feast on the
Rabbits. Okay. We're just gonna wait.
rabbit.
Whoa, there's still another. Oh, Dad, look. This one has. Yeah, this one's cage now, Dad. You know what that means?
That's scary.
Means, guys, you know what that means? You know what that's implying? Wait. Oh no, we can't sit. No, Dad. You have a foot thing. You have a thing on your. That's fine. I can just hold on to this thing.
kindly hold to the holding grab bars. Okay, Mabuhay, good afternoon. Welcome to White Lion. I'm your guide on this journey. I'm Ines.
Okay.
For your safety and comfort, please remain seated while the tram is moving. Kindly wait until we count the complete stop so you can capture those memorable photographs. So we have 3 lions were breed that takes up in captivity from France. So these lions are all made siblings. They turned 10 years old this year. So you might be wondering why they are called white lions when they aren't entirely white. That's because they are not albinos, which means they are partially lost of pigmentation and resulting of pale or dirty white color. Avoid referring your fingers outside the drum.
Oh my gosh, it's a lion, it's a lion. It's a lion.
10 years old.
10 years old.
25 years, sir.
He looks old. He looks ailing.
Yeah.
He's tired of
Whoa! 10 and they're that big already? Wow. What's the usual lifespan of a lion? 25 years. Okay.
Provide them just chicken, 5 to 8 kilos per lion per day.
Whoa. Whoa. 8 kilos of chicken. He just sits there all day? No stimulation? Bye, lion! Bye, lion! Wait, where is it? There. Bye, lion. Look at the camels, guys. You see them? Oh my gosh, they're not being filmed. It's against the light. Look at the camels!
Oh, this one's so close.
Oh! You're so cute. I want to ride. I want to ride them. Peace, like the olden days. Olden days. I'm pretty sure there's still people riding camels until now. Aww. The camels are so cute. Look at, I want a camel. Look, why is it so cute? Yes. It's a dromedary camel. That other camel is a bit far away and it's lonely. What? Look at the camels. Let me take a picture of the camel. Where are they? Where are they? Oh, there. Oh my gosh, it's moving! Yay, the camel's going near its family now. Yay! Or I don't know if they're family or if they're friends. I don't care. It's like they're living in the same place, so they're family. Look at the camels! Okay, now we're gonna go to more birds. I guess birds are probably the easiest creature to round up, maybe. Maybe. I might be wrong. Did you know that flamingos get their pink color from eating shrimp? So, shrimp. OMG, girl. You're listening comprehension. Oh, I love how they're all together, and I like their long legs. Like they look like ballerinas. If you know what I mean? They're like the flexibility. Like, look, they have joints. They have joints, bro. They have joints. Oh my gosh, did you hear that sound? Oh my gosh. Hey, look here. Yeah, I caught it. Okay, wait, threw it. Brahmini kite. Oh, serpent's eagle. It's a parrot of sorts, I think. An iguana? I don't see it though. Probably camouflaged. Just look at the color of it. Like, it's very camouflagey. Oh my gosh! What's the name of this bird? Oh, Mom! It's an iguana. It's modeling. It's posing. What a poser. Oh, eclectic parrot. It's the same one from earlier. Oh my gosh, one of the iguanas is down there. Look at that. Whoa. Whoa, that's so cinematic. I love it. Well, cute. Whoa. Cockatoo. I'm gonna see a cockatoo soon. I haven't yet. I think those are the cockatoos. That one, the white one. I'm not sure. I have to get closer to figure it out. I forgot the name of this bird, but like it's in my notes. Oh my gosh! Look at that! Whoa! It's a cockatoo! I have to take a picture with it. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, there you go. That's a lot of birds. Yeah. Whoa, there are a lot. Just when I think there are like there can't be any more. There are more. Oh, that's a lot. Yeah? Can I take it? No, you can't take it. Whoa. Huh? Boy, you're doing a great job. Oh. Wait.
Let's look at other birds in the aquarium.
You want to speak? You want to say something? Hey. I want to like say something. It's not a food. It's not food. Which one of the birds is squawking right now? None of the ones that are near me are squawking. I think it's the ones like up. Oh! Oh my gosh! It's on my head! It's on my head, guys! Guys, look! Woo! You want to say something? Want to say something to the mic? Okay, I guess the parrot's coming with me. You're coming with me, okay? You're mine now. You're mine. Oh, it went away. Whoa. Whoa, look at that. Look at the... What's the name of this? Koi fish? Koi fish, right? One of them is black and white, kind of different from the others, and there are others that have the three colors. Wow. It's not like I've never seen koi fish before, but I like seeing them like this because most of the time you just see them in ponds, right? Like the one I showed you earlier. So it's nice to see them like eye level. You know, that's cool. There's a name. Binturong. Wow, what even is that?
Bear cat. Oh, bear cat.
A bear cat is so cute. And we are here at the mountaintop restaurant because it's like windy now. Very windy. And we are gonna get refreshments because like it's so hot, and as I told you before, we weren't allowed to bring water bottles. Only my sister's water bottle was approved because my mother like taught her it, because you know my mother. That's crazy. I think I'm gonna go buy a drink. Afternoon, ate. How much is the water? 40? Yeah, 40. I have successfully obtained water. Let's go. Not my usual brand, but you know, water is water. Now I'm sitting. Her energy is depleted, and rightfully so.
Is that good? A bit?
Mm.
Can I taste? I was the first one to ask for it.
Yeah, my mom was the first. Wait, you have your own though.
This cold.
That's not cold. That's not really cold. I wonder if they have matcha. They have like coffee here, so maybe have matcha.
What do you want?
Matcha. I mean, it wouldn't hurt to check. Yeah. 40. 40, does it increase with altitude? Does the price increase? Really?
The cost of fuel bringing from the city to mountain.
Oh,
Of course, the profit.
that's crazy. So, Dad, if there's like an underground mall and I buy water there, then it's negative price. Well, I'm so smart.
It's not about the location, it's about the distance.
I know, absolute value.
The source.
Absolute value. Dad, I was joking. You need to appreciate my joke. You're 4.
Okay, small. Recall the sequence of our destination. First,
She's too tired.
there's still a lot more to see, Mom.
I'm sorry because mommy keeps on making me stand for 1 hour to take one single picture and then it ended up making my face like that.
Yeah. Mom takes so long to make pictures and then she doesn't even like make them of quality. She's crying now. Okay, I'm not gonna show you guys with her like that.
Aviary.
Wait, Dad, put the microphone near your Okay, go.
Okay. We've already been to the area, and next we went to the lion's den, and then we went to the camel station inside the bag.
Daddy did not allow me to take it out.
And then from the camel station, we went across to another bird sanctuary. And then we're now here in.
And the aquarium.
Yeah, but it was a small feature of the aviary. Yes, and now we're here resting after 4 stops.
This is the family drama portion of the movie. Okay? And every adventure movie, there's always a movie where the kid is crying and the adults are fighting. And she's really tired.
Maymay becomes impatient when she's tired.
Yeah, everyone does. Let's go.
There was a bird on my head and then it's like that.
5 minutes.
Like that.
Sure.
And then it
Okay, go.
Wait, that. Why did you skip a minute? I'm gonna comb my hair. Get ready with me. Get ready with me for the second portion of our trip.
Anna's
I've never done a get ready with me, guys, because I don't see the point. Like, why are you showing me your process of getting? I'm just gonna comb my hair.
Anna's getting a sneak peek on your get ready with me.
Yeah, okay. Guys, I'm gonna be real with you. I'm like really tired right now. Like, I'm too tired to speak. I also have a headache. But like, we're gonna go to this African savannah thing, and we're about to go to a different like tram. Ooh, I like this one better because it at least has like this thing that can sort of protect me from falling off. Also this. That's nice.
80 kilometers per hour. Over there, the one that has a long horn is a real life Madame Gazelle from Peppa
there.
And it's Gem's back or Oryx Gazelle.
Caesar said
So
that
they can
he likes
survive in
Madame
Canada.
Gazelle from
Yeah.
The one over there, the one that has the unusual white marking on their face is what we call glass back. That white unusual marking on their face is their belt and sunscreen. I over there is the blue wildebeest.
Zebra.
Remember the stomping in the Lion King movie when Mufasa fell off the cliff? Blue wildebeest was part of it. I say it. And of course, the highlight of our African savanna, which is our plain zebra. The zebra is there. So zebra has a black skin with white stripes, and they have a unique patterns just like our fingerprints, but no two animals having or sharing the same pattern.
Wow.
So this one is a female one because she has a thinner horn.
Oh.
Let's stand up.
One over there is a male. Once again, our Thompson's gazelle, plain zebra, blue wildebeest, gems, diamond orange gazelle, and Thompson's gazelle. So this one is called waterbuck. Waterbuck has a strong association with water, using it to evade predators like lions, cheetahs, and other African wild dogs. Fun fact about male waterbuck is that as they get older, they get stinkier. As they get stinkier, they're most likely attracted to female waterbuck. Once again, waterbuck.
Pheromones. Right? Pheromones? Oh. Genetics. So big.
That is what we call eland.
We just keep calling anything deer moy.
They can weigh up to 400 up to 1,000 kilograms. One fact about female eland is they can produce 7 liters of milk, 3 times much more nutritious than a cow's milk.
Whoa.
And eland. Much closer look of the island of our African savanna and our plain zebra. So those two are pregnant. And this one is born and raised here in Cebu, which is named Rowella.
Hi, Roella.
Rowella. One fact about zebras is they sleep standing up with one eye open to stay alert in danger.
Hi, everyone. I'm finally in an air-conditioned, like, thing.
Is there a pets there?
Yeah. Why not? Say hi, Moy.
Destination.
It's a donkey. I think so. I don't trust myself with naming these animals anymore. I seem terrible at it. Donkey! Hui! Hi! Look at that. Oh my gosh, look, it's an emu. I think. Don't trust anything I'm saying, guys, but I'm pretty sure that's a duck. Or a goose. Those are chickens over there, I'm sure. Oh, what's this? They also have farm animals, that's cool. Oh, y'all, there's a bird show here.
They're certainly very clever. They can solve problems like a 7-year-old. That's why people call them feather geniuses. Now, Miss Gina, are you ready? Now we're all set and ready. Now to see how clever Ollie is, I have here some materials. The first one is a glass tube filled with water, 4 small stones, and the last one is a knot. I will put the knot inside the glass tube. Now let us watch and see how Ollie here can get the knot.
And I would be blocking the stairs if I sat there.
Ready? Go.
I would be blocking the stairs if I sat there.
What's next, and he dropped it inside the glass tube. As you can see, each stone pushes the water higher up until Ollie got his knot. Now, by the way, cross are black, it is because of melanin, the same pigment that gives colors to our hairs and skin. So a round of applause for our intelligent, large-built crony, Ollie. Thank you so much, Miss Mia. Well, the girlie here is very shy today, but let's proceed to the next one. A telephone ringing. Now, last one is a whistle. Great job, buddies. Now, Lani and Rudy here love to sing. Is it true, Miss Lani?
Yes, they love to sing, but before they sing, they need to do what all singers do. They have to warm up first.
Alright, now let's do the warm-up. Now, for the first song. I love you more than I can. I love you more than I can. Now, before we proceed to our last song, let me ask first, who's celebrating their birthdays today? Or within this month of April? Just raise your hand. Alright, now happy birthday to all the birthday celebrants. Now, buddies, we have a lot of celebrants here. What will you do next? Last one. Now see how talented parrots are. They can mimic sound so well because their brains are super smart. Just like how humans use their voices. So a round of applause to our mimicking birds here named Lani and Rudy, and also to their mentor, Miss Donna. Now, toucans, they're one of the largest and the best known toucan species in the world. As you can see, it has a white throat and a black body that helps them camouflage in the rain. He eats fruits, vegetables, nuts, and small insects. Now, as you can see, they have a large and colorful bill that looks heavy, but in reality, it is very light. It is because it is made out of protein and keratin, just like our ears.
It's right in front of us.
Now, there are a total of 40 toucan species in the world, and one thing they have in common is their large, beautiful bill. Again, their favorite food in the wild, they mix vegetables, nuts, and small insects. Now, fun fact about toucans, they can control their body temperature just by adjusting their blood flow to their beak. So when they feel hot, their beak will serve as a thermal regulator, where it regulates their body temperature. Now, Mr. Moore, will you stay here with us or will you come back to Mr. James? Take your time, buddy. There's no need to rush. Good job, Mr. Horn. So a round of applause to our most handsome toucan name, Mr. Horn. Thank you so much, Mr. James. Now, eastern grass owl, they are a nocturnal type of bird, meaning most of their hunting time is during the night time. Now, just like any other owls, they have a flexible neck. They can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees. It is possible because this bird has a 14 neck vertebrae, allowing them to spot a prey and be aware of its surroundings without moving its whole body. Now, as you can see when they fly, they're almost silent. It is because of their special feathers that helps them glide quietly in the night, making them a silent stalkers or the silent hunters of the night. So, a massive round of applause to our eastern grass owl name, Bella. Thank you so much, Miss Lona.